Alrighty, we are all set. Did most of the things I wanted to do in Bangkok. A lot like Vegas, so not too much new for me. But I mean, there are some things, a lot of things that are new, but a lot of similarities as far as partying. A lot of the things, other things you can imagine. But now I'm gonna be leaving to Chiang Mai. Best way to travel is gonna be a train. The train cost me 270 baht, which is gonna be about $9, and the time is gonna be almost 15 hours to get to Chiang Mai, which is the mountains of Thailand. So I've been in the city partying, but now it's time for me to go to the mountains and relax and maybe find my chi, find my meditation. Time for me to get my peace. But the good thing about the train is that it's 10 at night right now. It's gonna be 10 at night when we leave, so I'm gonna be sleeping most of the night in the train. Here's a look at the train. Pretty big one. Go ahead and hop on in here. See, we got beds, places to stay at the top. Sawadee ha. Alrighty. 5. Thank you. Okay. So, train. I'm a little early. Little place to wash up. Little wash shack. Alright. Oh. There's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but again, this is the most affordable way for a solo backpacker like me to travel. Economically, financially, first time for me, but looked pretty awesome. Looks like this is like a little mini restaurant area. Sawadee Cup. Card 5. 5.
5 tầng núm á?
Oh, 5 back here?
No. I don't know. I don't know.
You're not sure? Oh, no problem. I keep looking. That was 2. Little kitchen. By the way, you want to be careful with pickpockets, so you want to keep most of your stuff in your backpack. Now I'm a little bit confused where my spot is, but you get an idea of what the train's like now. So take care.